Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit a lesson in LifterLMS. So to start out, we'll head to the WP admin. From here, we'll head to Courses. Then we will go to the course we want to edit a lesson in, and we'll want to go into the builder. So you can hover over and click the builder right there. Then we can expand all sections. And in order to edit a lesson, you want to hover over the lesson, and then you'll see these icons pop out. And this one, the WordPress logo, says Open WordPress Lesson Editor. So we'll click that, and it'll open in a new tab here. And this is where we can edit our lesson, and we can use a page builder on this or the Gutenberg editor, but these are the lesson settings themselves. So that's how you can edit a lesson in LifterLMS. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.